In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about copy trading as a beginner, and I will show you how to use the copy trading on BingX. But first of all, what is copy trading? Copy trading is a feature in crypto trading that allows ordinary investors to copy the trading signals of traders who have high returns with just one click and align with the trader's trading pattern. You can copy the exact trades and positions with your own money and own account. So you don't have to be a professional trader, you just copy good traders with profitable strategies. So you don't have to invest your personal time to search for trades and take these trades. So copy trading is really a passive income, and your assets are on your account and you can withdraw them every time on BingX. So you always have the control over your assets, which is really nice. But why are we using the copy trading on BingX? BingX is a leading cryptocurrency exchange which was founded in 2018. BingX is a trustworthy exchange and is the official crypto exchange partner of Chelsea FC. We have a very high security and transparency. BingX has also a very nice customer service. And I really like the copy trading feature because we have many profitable traders and we have very much transparency and have always the control over your own assets. And if you don't have an account on BingX, you can use the link in the description and you get up to $5,150 trading bonus on BingX. So now let's start with the copy trading platform overview. And if you want to get to the copy trading, you click on copy trading and on the first one, copy trading right here. And then you get up to this page. If we scroll down, you can see the trending traders right here. You can see here some different traders with some different results. And if we're scrolling down, you can see that we have some conservative traders, we have some rising stars. And at the bottom, you can see that we have all traders and you can filter them here. And if we are clicking on filter, you can see that we have many KPIs where we can select for different traders. And if we are scrolling up again, you can see that you can also apply to be a trader. So if you want to be a copy trader, you can also apply on BingX. As you can see, you get up to 8 to 20% profit share of the copier's profits. So in this case, if you're using copy trading at BingX, so you don't have to pay a fixed fee for the copy trader. Just if you make profits with the trading strategy, you give the copy trader 8 to 20% profit share of your personal profits. So for example, if you're making $100 profits copying the copy trader get 8 till 20% of the profits. Next to it, you will find a copy trading guide. So if you have any questions on copy trading, you can also click here and find different examples and questions. If you want to see your open positions, you can click on my trades and every trade you are taking and your trade history you will find here. And on my subscriptions, you will find every trader you are copying right now. So I think the overview is very simple and easy to understand. And if you are looking for a trader, you can see these different results right here. But if you click on it right here, then this page opens and you see the trader details right here. First of all, you can see how many followers this trader have, where is he from, and when did he join on BingX. And if you click on see translation, you can see that every trader have a small description of his strategy or what is important on his trading style. Here on the right, you can copy the trader. And if we are scrolling down, you can see the full stats of this trader. For example, what is the ROI of the last 30 days? You can see how the account is evolving. In this case, we can see that we have always a upgoing trend. But here you can also see that we have a loss, a bigger loss. So we had 90% profits and then 40%. So the transparency is very high on BingX. You can also select here the last 180 days and see the curve. And the most important details you will find here. The first one is the win ratio, which is here 99%. Another important detail is the P&L ratio. The P&L ratio shows you the ratio of the average profits and the average losses of the trader. In this case, if the trader has a losing trades, the losses are 3 times bigger than the average profit, which is not a really good sign. And another important indicator for me are the trading days. So for how long is the trader on BingX also trading? You can also see the weekly profit right here on the last 180 days. And if we are scrolling down again, you can see which pairs the trader is trading. But one of the most important things is if you are going to the upside and clicking on current positions, here you will find every trade which is open right now. And for me, it's very important that you don't have many trades open. because some copy traders have a really good win ratio. In this case, we also have a 99% win ratio, where I am very skeptical. And often traders who have a higher win ratio than 90 or 95%, they have many positions open, but they don't close the losing trades. And you don't want to copy this kind of traders. And you can see here the trade history. So we'll find every trade which was opened and closed from this trader. So now the question is, how do I find a really good pro copy trader? In this case, I scroll down and select the different filters right here. So for me personally, the most important stats are the win ratio, that we have a minimum of 50%. And it's very important for me that we have a minimum of 120 days, because I want a trader who is trading for a longer time. Because the longer the trader is actually trading on BingX and making consistent profits, the higher is the chance that the trader will continue to make profits and will lose your whole money. So now we can click on confirm. And of course we have many different traders. So in this case we are looking at the Lion trader. First of all, he has many followers and joined already 2022, which is a good sign. If we are scrolling down, you can see that the arrow eye is very nice. And if we are selecting 180, you can see that we have a large gap right here, which is not the best case. And I always go directly on current positions. In this case, no position is open. And if we are clicking on trade history, you can see the trades he took. And this is looking really legit because we just have 3 trades on today. And if we are scrolling for the past, you can see that he don't opens positions like 5, 10 or 20 at one day, which is a really good sign. So the chance that he have a consistent trading strategy is very high. And if we are again clicking on trading data, you can see that we have a win ratio of 75%. And we have a P&L ratio of 1, which is also a really nice sign. So the average losses are not way bigger than the average profits. And he has trading days 170. We can also look again at the weekly profits right here. In this case, you can see that he's just trading consistently since 1 month. So I personally would prefer if we see even longer times where you can see that he makes profits. So I personally would take a long time searching for really good fitting traders, because this is the most important at copy trading, that you are searching for the right traders with a fitting strategy, and that you don't copy trader with a really high risk, because you want to make consistent profits. And some traders are risking that much money that you will lose your whole money in 1 day or 1 week. So I personally would take a long time to search for fitting traders for your personal trading strategy. And if you then want to copy the trader, you can click on copy. And then you have 2 options to copy the trader. In this case, we have copy by position ratio. In this case, you select an amount of money you want to copy the trader with. For example, we can use 100 USDT. In this case, you can also see I have $400 US in this fund account, so on my spot. So you can also copy the trader with up to $400, depends on how much money you have on your fund account. So if you're copying by position ratio, you will copy the trader with the same risk management. For example, if the trader got $10,000 in his account and he takes a trade with 1%, then he will get into a trade with $100 of his money. And if you're deciding to get into the copy trading with $400 and he takes a trade with 1% risk, then you will get into a position with $4 US. So you will have the same position sizes as the trader percentage wise. And then of course you get the same results as the trader percentage wise. So copy trading by funds makes sense if you have a larger amount of money, so like many $100 or $1,000. And if you want to copy the trader, you have to click on this circle right here, and you will get on advanced settings right here. And here you can select a take profit or a stop loss, but I personally wouldn't use this because you want to copy the performance of the trader. And if you're selecting take profit or stop loss, you don't get to copy the whole trader's performance, because when I decide to copy a trader, I will copy the whole performance and trust the trader. So again, it's really important to select a trader which is fitting your strategy. And if you want to decide to copy the trader, I wouldn't use this one, copy immediately, because when the trader is right now in a position, you will get into the same position if you tick this one. But I personally want to get into new trades. So when the trader is searching for new trades and open new positions, then I want to copy them. And if you're deciding to copy the trader, you click on copy now. But as I said, you can also click on per order, and here you can select a margin per order. So for example, when I select 50 USDT Every time a trader opens a position, he will open it with $50. And of course, this potential per order is way riskier than position ratio, because when the trader is deciding to open multiple positions, 5 or 10 at one day, then of course he will use very much money in comparison to take a position ratio. But if you have a smaller account, I think this makes more sense. For example, you have $100 in your account, and then I want to copy the trader with like $10, so 10% maximum. And if you decide to copy the trader per order, you click then on copy now. So I showed you how to copy all trades and find a pro trader. As I said, I think this is the most important step to select a trader which is fitting your personal strategy. And of course, we have some big advantages and some potential risks of copy trading. First of all, let's start with the advantages. You personally don't have to be a good trader. You just copy the performance of already profitable traders. Then you don't have to invest any time searching for trades or dealing with the emotions. You just have to select some traders and decide which ones to stay copying. So copy trading is a very passive income, and you can always close individual positions or stop copying the trader, and the money is on your account, so you always have the full control over your assets. And on BingX you also have a large transparency, so you can see everything what the trader is doing, which positions he opens, which he is closing. And if you don't want to copy a trader anymore, you can decopy the trader, and then you can search for another trader and try his strategy. And of course the potential risks are that you can lose your whole money. If you are selecting the wrong trader who is risking very much money, you will also lose your hard-earned money. So in the best case you are searching for different traders, and you can also copy different traders at the same time. So if you want to diversify your potential risk, you can select like 3 or 4 traders at the same time. And after some time you will see the results of the different traders. And if you don't like this trader's strategy or the results, you just decopy the traders who you don't like. And then you're just sticking with the traders that you are liking, or you can search for new ones. And if you want to start now with copy trading on BingX, you can create an account with using my link in the description, and you get up to $5,150 bonus. Of course, you can use BingX to trade by yourself. I also made a full tutorial how to deposit money and open trading positions by yourself on BingX, so feel free to check it out. And if you want to learn trading and get updates on the crypto market every day and some trading signals, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, if you have any questions left, just write it down in the comments. You can also share your experiences with copy trading or copy trading with BingX in the comments. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.